Once upon a time, a poor salt seller used to carry heavy sacks of salt on his donkey to the market every day. One day, while crossing a small bridge, the donkey slipped and the sack fell into the stream. Some of the salt melted and the load became much lighter. The donkey felt relaxed and happy. The next day, the clever donkey pretended to slip again, and again the salt melted and the load got light. But the salt seller understood the trick. On the third day, he filled the sack with cotton instead of salt. The donkey, thinking he was smart, slipped into the water once more. But this time, the cotton soaked up the water and became very heavy. The donkey struggled to walk, panting and sweating. The seller laughed and said, "Tricks don't always work, especially dishonest ones."